Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to review the Viking Power Pack Jump Starter from Harbor Freight. This guy retails for 85 bucks. Let's find out what you get. All right, when you open the box up, you can see it comes in a fancy carrying case, and it is zip tied to this piece of cardboard. Fancy. All right, so it comes in this fancy little carrying case. Open it up, and what do you get? Well, you get the power pack there. You got your cables connect to your battery terminals. You have a 110 volt charger, and looks like you have a cigarette lighter adapter. You got your user's manual, quick little guide, but all in all, nice tidy little carrying case. So here's the unit out of the box and everything removed from the case. So here it is right here. I'll note that once you hit the power button, it shows you the battery level and it's fully charged. Has a little flashlight, hit that button there. I'm not sure how useful that flashlight will be, but maybe it's a little bit better in the dark. You hit it again, it'll flash, hit it again, it'll flash even slower, hit it again, and it's off. So, what kind of ports are on here? You have your charging port to charge the unit right here, and it comes with the wall outlet, and it comes with a cigarette lighter adapter. So that's nice. After you use it, you can charge it right in the vehicle. And then you have your USB out, and it came with a plug here that has a mini USB and a micro USB. That's pretty nice. And you have another 12 volt cigarette lighter output. And then you have your engine start port right here, is where you plug this guy into, and then you have your positive and negative for your battery terminals. So the question is, does this thing actually work? Well, this is my old lawn tractor. Battery's been sitting for a while, or the tractor's been sitting for a while, and doesn't have enough juice to crank over. So I already have it connected up here. So you power this guy on, holding the power button, and then you have your jump start button. So I'm gonna hit that. When the green light's on, it looks like it's bringing power to the battery. So let's just give it a shot and see if it starts after being initially connected. Well, it definitely got it to turn over. Well, there you have it. The Viking Jump Starter Power Pack will crank over a lawn tractor just about immediately. So I'll look forward to trying this on an actual vehicle and see how that does. But first test, looks great. Looks like a great product. So guys, smash that like button if you liked the video. Make sure to leave a comment, subscribe for more videos. Every time I buy something, fix something, modify something, I'm going to try and film it to create useful content for you guys. So I appreciate you watching. Take care.